Hello guys, this is day 7 of Nifty 50 options trading. So today at around 12:05 I have shorted a call option because the Nifty 50 was touching the 50 exponential moving average, and it made a bearish candle right there, and it was also making a bearish price action. So immediately in the next candle at 12:05 p.m. I have shorted a call option and have placed a stop loss, and later I have adjusted this stop loss to around 5 rupees, and then I have waited for the trade to take its moment. So you can see on the screen, I have shorted it at around 128.65, and the stop loss is around 138.6. Okay, but later I have adjusted the stop loss as well. This was the weirdest trade I have ever taken. It took so long, and market also moved in our direction, but we ended up making nothing because of a mistake I have made. That is, I was adjusting the stop loss, and by mistake I have entered a wrong number, and we have exited the trade. And that's how today we ended up making that nothing, but we have learned so much from today's trade. You can see I have adjusted the stop loss. So it was why it was really interesting is that you can see the charts in this video and compare it with the charts of Nifty 50 index. Even though for a short period of time Nifty 50 index made higher highs and really good bullish movement, the option was not making that much of movement. If it had made that movement, it would have hit our stop loss immediately, but it didn't hit our stop loss. So that's the best thing about option selling. So that's why, and we were very strong that market would fall, but unfortunately because of a mistake, I entered a wrong number in the stop loss order while adjusting the stop loss, and we ended up exiting the trade with just around 150 rupees loss. Nothing more than our stop loss, usual stop loss. So that's how we have exited the trade. So if you want, you can watch the video in 5x or 2x speed, because this, even though I'm playing it in 10x, it is still slower for you. Almost 9 minutes video, so you can skip to the end, or you can listen what I have to say. So while I'm recording this video, it's around 3 p.m. and market made a big move on the lower side. So we could have ended up with at least 1 is to 4, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 8, that much of profits. So while I was in this trade, it was really stressful. The main idea is that we shouldn't take any action. Either it hits our stop loss or we take the target profits. Otherwise, we should stay neutral and watch it move. So here again, I was hoping that it would fall again back downward, or else maybe I have done a mistake of not exiting. These doubts were boggling my mind back then, but even though there were so many doubts and so much hope, I didn't exit or take any action or overtrade. The logic is simple. First thing, we should follow the rules. What are the rules? Only a single trade per day, and a fixed stop loss, and basic strategy, that is price action and candlestick pattern. And even though there are more opportunities available after the first trade, we will not take the trade, because we have to make 100 trades, and then only we have to modify the strategy. Otherwise we would end up without anything, because probability only works when the sampling size is large. If the sample size is very small, the probability won't work out. That's the basic idea we are following in our trading strategy. So you can see again the market was moving in our direction. It was around something like 1 p.m. So here I was a little bit afraid, but we are on option selling side with the stop loss. Our stop loss is fixed, our losses are fixed. We have better chances of winning the trade. Even though the market was making bullish moves, the option price was not increasing. So you have to keep this in mind. Even though it requires a lot more capital than the option buying, it is much comfortable than option buying, because if you are in option buying, by this time we would have hit the stop loss and have exited the trade. But that's not the case with option selling. See, even though the market was moving against us, our stop loss didn't get hit, and also it's showing profits, minor profits, not big but good enough. It gives us the confidence to stay in the trade for a longer duration. So that's what happening. See, so this was the highest point it has ever made for today. 132 something, 133 like that. Our stop loss was around 134 point something. So after it made higher highs, I was trying to adjust the stop loss, and by mistake I have exited the trade. But if that mistake wouldn't happen, the market has moved a lot, made a big move in our direction, and we could have made a lot more than any of the losses we have made in the past 7 trades. So you can also see there is a gold petal. I was also trying out it, but I'm not making a video on that right now. Maybe in future I will make a detailed video about trading gold, and also the strategy and logic behind that also. So please subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified about the new videos that I post. So there is nothing else, because everything is transparent on this channel. Everything I do, I share on this channel. You can learn from my trades, as well as you can also learn from my mistakes as well, without risking your own capital. That's the intention of the channel, and also I can share with you guys. You can see again it was moving against us. It was moving bullish, but I didn't exit. Here at this point somewhere I was trying to adjust the stop loss, and I ended up exiting the trade. It was really painful, guys. See the market move in our direction after exiting. Here, see, here I made a mistake and I have exited by mistake. And that's it, guys. That's it for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.